In this video, I'll show you how to create a soft and emotional opening where your video is revealed gently, similar to opening a handwritten love letter. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and place your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels natural and smooth. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Love Letter, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the video reveals itself with a gentle motion that feels calm, warm, and emotional. To adjust how soft this reveal feels, use the duration slider at the bottom. Dragging it to the right slows the motion and adds more emotion. Dragging it to the left makes the reveal quicker and lighter. Preview the animation and pay attention to how the timing feels with your message or music. A slightly slower duration usually works better for emotional content. And that's it. You've successfully added a love letter style reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.